Heavy body, stiff hips, shoulders locked. Let's shake it off right now. You didn't just roll out of bed, you showed up. And that already sets you apart. But today demands more than motion. It needs your clarity and power. This first move will wake up your nervous system. And the last one, it's pure fire. Let's hit the mat. We're starting with a reset and recharge. This combo flow wakes up the entire chain, shoulders, spine, hips, hamstrings, all in one. From hands and knees, lift into downward dog. Paddle your feet slowly, then glide your body forward. Lower your hips and press into cobra. Keep your shoulders down, then repeat. You're not just stretching, you're circulating energy. I promise this stretch will clear the cobwebs, reduce morning stiffness, and set the tone for how your body moves today. Beginners keep knees bent in downward dog. Advanced stretches add a push-up between transitions. Do you want to know a surprising fact? This move hits more joints in one rep than most 30-minute workouts. Can you flow 5% slower? That's where the magic is. Do you feel your chest opening or your hamstrings more? That tells you where your tension lives. That just unlocked your back. Now let's loosen up your hips. This move earned its name. Step your right foot forward into a deep lunge. A right hand opens toward the sky. Gaze follows your fingertips. Then place your hand back down and straighten the front leg. You're opening the hips, rotating the spine, and lengthening the back body, all in one move. I promise this will instantly expand your mobility and prep your body to move with confidence. Beginners drop the back knee for support. Advanced stretches keep the back leg lifted for a full body challenge. Rotation in the spine actually improves brain-body communication. It's not just physical, it's neurological. 5 more seconds. Twist just a little further. Feeling tight in the hip or spine? Whichever screams louder in this area, that means love. Same move, different story. Left foot forward, sink into the hips, rotate the torso. Sweep the left hand high, breathe into the twist. This is your chance to balance both sides and notice how you might feel completely different. I promise giving each side individual attention is key to preventing imbalance-based injuries. Final 5 seconds. Can you straighten the front leg and reach? Which side feels stronger? Bookmark that, because that's your asymmetry showing. That just opened your foundation. Now we fuel the flow. This one might feel silly, but trust me, it's secretly powerful. Stand tall or kneel. Place hands on hips and start making big, slow circles with your pelvis. Clockwise for 30 seconds, then reverse. This movement juices your lumbar spine and resets your lower back and spine. I promise this will lubricate your spine and wake up your core without even feeling like work. Beginners keep it slow and controlled. Advanced stretches add arms overhead to challenge balance. Your brain actually maps your pelvis poorly. This move improves that connection. Final 5 seconds. Go bigger, but keep it smooth. Are you favoring one direction? That tells you where restriction hides. That just got your core talking. Now we expand the sides. From a kneeling position, extend your right leg out to the side. Sign right arm rests and slide down to the leg. Reach the right arm overhead and start swinging gently. This lengthens the side body, opens the ribs, and decompresses the spine. I promise you'll breathe deeper and stand tall after this. Beginners, keep your top arm straight up. Advanced stretches, gently swing your arm, making bigger circles. Did you know that your ribs can expand up to 30% more with side stretching? Yep, 5 more seconds. Can you reach an inch further? Do you feel the stretch in your ribs, lats, or hips? Same setup, opposite side. Left leg out, left hand on the thigh, and swing gently overhead. Keep both hips grounded. This side often holds more tension. It's where your body compensates. I promise, the stretch resets imbalances in posture and improves your breathing instantly. 5 more seconds, lean into the length. Does one side feel closed off? That's your daily tension hotspot. Now that your sides are loose, we finish with our final challenge. This is where we seal it in, and this one tests your mobility and control. Stand tall, hinge at the hips, and fold forward. With soft knees, sweep your fingertips side to side towards your toes, left and right, like a windshield wiper. You're not just stretching, you're moving through the range. I promise this will improve your hamstring flexibility and get your nervous system fully alert and activated. Beginners, bend knees more and keep sweeps small. Advanced stretches, try sweeping with straight legs and touch your ankles. Hamstrings that move dynamically reduce injury risk in sudden movements. 5 more seconds, go slow, go deep. Do you feel stiffness in one leg more than the other? That's your cue to rebalance. You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your shoulders or hips. It lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits. It drains your energy. Even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnects you to your body. Scripture and mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.